Hello fellow Rosarians, thank you for joining me today. I'm gardening in zone 8A in Maryland, and we have a really high humidity, and I like to look for roses that are black spot resistant. This is Yolande d'Argon, and I don't think this is going to be black spot resistant for us. If a rose in its first flush presents with black spot, it's just going to be downhill from there. So I may decide that this rose needs to find a new home in the future. We'll see how she does with her flushes. The fragrance is light, so for me that's not a big enough pull to keep her in the garden if she's going to be a hot mess and look terrible. We'll see. All right, thanks so much for joining me, Rosebuds. I'll see you in the next video.